You want to stack this block? You're going to give them all to Daddy?
Thank you, Lou. I'll put it right in here.
You want to stack it? Okay, you can stack that. You going to take a movie of your own? Okay, you stack the box. Show Daddy how you do it. You rather talk on the phone?
Who's on the phone, Lucy? Who's on the phone? Who is it? Hello? Telephone for Lucy.
You want to stack? Good job, see? Here's another one. Whoop. Here, try again. And stack a book.
Wow.
Good job, love. One more.
One more block, Lou. Careful. Yay! Knock it down.
Woo! Yay! Yay! Lucy, show Daddy your belly.
Where's your belly?
Show Daddy your belly. Where's your belly?
Where's your belly?
There it is.
Yeah, I know.
Where's your head? There it is. Where's your ears? There they are. Where's your nose? There it is. Where's your mouth? There it is. Where's your teeth? Yeah, they're in there somewhere. Where's your knee? That's right.
Wow.
Tootsie, where's your knee? That's your foot. That's your Tootsie. Here's your knee. Knee. Where's your finger? That's right. That's your finger. Good job, sweetie pie. Oh, you turning it on? Thank you.